Alligator! Run! Stop me!
I tried to do it on my own and couldn't find happy. Even lost a home cause I was living too flashy, trying to keep up with the Joneses. That fast life almost left me homeless. Nice car and nice job with nice songs on records, but it didn't add up with the wrong perspective. Better watch what you seeking. Living for the weekend is that deep end. Having doubts about life. What's the right route to travel at night? Dark times need light. I was lost in a fight for survival. That Bombay gym became an idol. Sobriety became vital. Almost drove me psycho. Unemployment check held up by a typo. I needed change with no delay. Ain't no time to play with a kid on the way. So tell me what you feel about a family. We was born to plant seeds. It's a purpose-driven life worth living. The time we're spending with our wife and children. Each moment has been oh so precious. Just to let you know I had to put it on the record. People see me now when they say I ain't the same. If it weren't for my kids, I probably wouldn't have changed. I don't blame it on the alcohol. Without purpose, I was bound to fall. Roaming the streets at night, rolling all weed in sight. It took having seeds for me to see the light. No more self-destruction, I started building. Insufficient funds wasn't gonna feed the children. I gave up the fast life that I was used to. Became a teacher to transform the future. Put down the microphone and picked up my business. Put down the beer cans and picked up my fitness. Put down the girlfriend and picked up a wife. I got about that whirlwind and picked up my life. The time that we spend together feels like no other. Ain't felt a love like this since I lived with my mother. So tell me what you feel about a family. We was born to plant seeds. It's a purpose-driven life worth living. The time we're spending with our wife and children. Each moment has been oh so precious. Just to let you know I had to put it on the record. Your dad may be a teacher, but he's a student too. When it comes to life, I learned a lot through you. With the birth of an infant, life changes in an instant. You ain't gotta be skillful, just have a willful intent. Take each day as it comes, rays of the sun. One day I'll get to watch my daughters play with their sons. When life's in a riot, I can't remain quiet. I ain't trying to control, I'm just trying to provide guidance. In this road of missteps, mishaps, and violence. As you get older, I see you need silence to cultivate your power of discernment. And know when to go and not to go with the current. You can't make my mistakes cause we live different lives. Every choice has a consequence, so you must decide. I have some expectations, you have my last name. No, my love will remain if you go against the grain. So tell me what you feel about a family. We was born to plant seeds. It's a purpose-driven life worth living. The time we're spending with our wife and children. Each moment has been oh so precious. Just to let you know I had to put it on the record. So tell me what you feel about a family. We was born to plant seeds. It's a purpose-driven life worth living. The time we're spending with our wife and children. Each moment